Hello everyone, welcome to this Cornix tutorial. This video will walk you through the concept of the market order type. A market order is a type of order used to buy or sell cryptocurrency immediately at the best available price. To place a market order, you simply specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell in your desired exchange, and it will be executed at the current market price. Market orders require liquidity to get filled, and are executed based on the limit orders already placed on the order book. When you place a market order, you are called a taker because you are taking a price set by someone else. Market orders are favored for their simplicity, prompt execution, and high likelihood of being fully filled in high liquidity markets. However, they also carry the risk of slippage. Slippage can happen mostly in low liquidity markets and might cause the market price to be different than the price that was available when placing your order due to the order book supply and demand. Let's see a quick example of a market order in a low liquidity market resulting in slippage. Let's say you want to purchase 10,000 units of a certain cryptocurrency and the current market price is $100. However, there are only two sell orders available in the order book, one for 5,000 units at $100 and another for 5,000 units at $102. If you place a market order for 10,000 units, the exchange will fill the first order for 5,000 units at $100 and the second order for 5,000 units at $102. This means you will end up paying an average price of $101 for all 10,000 units. Let's see how we can easily place a market order with Cornix. Navigate to the coins page under the portfolio section and click the buy button. Choose your symbol of choice, exchange account, and your desired amount, and tap on create. We hope this helped clarify what a market order is, its advantages, the potential risk of slippage, and how to create it through the Cornix web application. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.